Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ijan Sempoy. In this video, I'm going to reskin my Leica camera. I'm gonna make my Leica camera look from RM25k camera to RM200k camera. From this to this. Okay, the main reason why I want to reskin or make over my Leica camera because I'm getting bored with the color and look and feel. Previously I had Leica M8, I think around 2010. It's the same color as my current Leica M, so I think I want to change a new color and make it a bit different from a normal Leica. Recently I saw a nice limited editions Leica collaborate with Hermes, so I was thinking to make over my Leica camera look something like that. Okay, for the leather colors, I choose the something like this. It's look orange and light brown, similar like the Leica M9 Hermes edition. This camera costs 50,000 USD, equivalent to RM200,000 ringgit. I'm not gonna spend 200,000 ringgit just for the camera, but instead I will make over my camera look something like a special edition camera. The main goal is here just I want to make my Leica camera look different. It's not something like I already have before. Okay, so these are the tools that I will use for this project. Basically, this is a very straightforward project. We just first we need to remove the current leather, and after that we clean out all the glue, and then the last step is we stick the new leather. Okay guys, let's do it. First step, we have to remove the leather from the camera. I will show you how. Anyway guys, I just want to tell you that I'm not a professional. You may or not to follow my style. This is just my personal preference how to doing this. Do with your own risk. I also not sure whether I will success or not, but now I have a confidence that I can do it myself. For me it's quite simple, but I'm quite nervous. I've been using this camera for about 6 years, and my camera no more warranty, so I can change the leather myself. And if your camera still under warranty, I suggest not to do this, as it will void your camera warranty. Alright, doing good so far. So we're gonna keep doing this, bit by bit until we remove the leather from the camera. Yes, look good. I think we already removed almost half. Another half way to go. Let's do it. Okay, step 2. Now we're going to remove the adhesive and glue. Slowly remove, and after that we're going to stick the straight. Time to clean all the balance or all the small thing, make it the surface really clean and clear before we stick the new leather. As you can see here, sometimes I push it too hard, so it scratches the black surface. Okay, now we are ready to stick a new leather. like it so much, and the best thing is I do it myself with my own hand. I think overall I took about 3 hours to complete this project. Well, I think it turned out good as I expected. What you guys think about this? Okay, let's attach the lens on. We're gonna see how it looks with the lens. Here you go. It looks so handsome. So basically I just upgrade my camera from 25k to 200k, but basically just upgrade the look, but the features and everything is still the same. I really don't mind. Watching, as usual, please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I will answer all your questions. Until we see again in next video.